Good morning. My name is Glenn Reed. I'm the president of Reliable Pumps. We've been in business since 1987, and we have been principally known to be a high-pressure manufacturer, rental, sales, and service. At the WJTA show in 1997, we were one of the early pioneers of the 1020 combo pump. We sold one pump then that is still being used today. And as technology continues to improve, we can see that everything is improved, as well as reliable pumps. What we have here this morning, we have a 350 horsepower John Deere engine that is powered by a PTC Italy 40K pump. This pump is designed to pump 10 gallons a minute at 40,000 pounds. But most of you experienced water blasting guys know that that's impossible for a man to hold. It can be used on an automated system. So what we've done is we've reduced the flow so that the operator can operate himself without so much thrust on him. Along with that, we're going to do a demonstration and we're going to show you exactly how it works. We have some accessories here that we'd like to show you. Many of you are already familiar with. This is just a straight dump gun. Of course, you change the nozzle, you can go to the fan, it's great. Nothing special. Next, we have something that would be more interesting to you, is our 40K adjustable rotary gun. You can adjust the speed. Why do you want to adjust the speed? Well, it depends on what you're cleaning. Some of it require faster rotation, some of it requires a slow rotation. What that benefit is, it saves time and money as well. It's easy to operate, very durable, and it's also reliable. We have our rotary gun here that is air operated. Along with that, you have the tumble box that can work. Now, this particular unit has a John Deere engine, but it also has a 30 CFM compressor. The reason why we put that on there is because whenever you start up to blasting, you can continue to run both guns with no problem. If you want to run 12 hours, you could do it. It's been tried and proven, and it really works. Why? Because Reliable Pumps went to a great extent to make sure that everything works just as it's supposed to. We designed our pump. It's simple. You can take it straight to the job and go to work. We do this because we want the operator to be confident in what he does, but we also want the managers to not have to worry about it. So keeping things simple is certainly the way to go. And that is how we've been manufacturing our pumps since 1987. As we look here, we got the pressure regulator here. And this here is a setup where you can have 3 different outlets. And trust me, it works. One thing I've learned over the years, since we've been into this, my experience goes back to 1997. Do the math. What we can appreciate about this is that we went through a lot of turns that has improved the industry, but it also given the client reliability. So we've been very successful with that. We have the PTC pump here that's 40K. The air compressor, we have an 80-gallon tank on it, but if you see, it doesn't have a whole lot on there. You don't need a lot if you know what you're doing, and we do. Now, what we're going to do this morning, we're going to demonstrate the 40K, and this is not anything special to any of you. Many of you have seen the 40K. We're going to remove rust off of bare metal. We're going to take the paint off of panels that has been sandblasted and with epoxy paint. So we want to start up and let you see how this runs. And if you have any questions, we can certainly entertain those at booth 109. So let's go ahead and start up. We'll get Raymond to go ahead and get things going. I wanted to let you know that these are sandblasted surface on the painted panels. The other one is just rust. But the profile, once it has been blasted by the 40K, is acceptable in the painting industry. So it shows the effectiveness. Now, where these can be used? Well, in a lot of applications. The shipyards, in the refineries, the oil refineries, chemical plants, even in the bridge demolition. So there's a lot of application here, but tried and true, the 40K pump has really proven itself to be durable and dependable. One thing we also appreciate here is that over the 40 years of experience in the water blasting industry, we've learned many things that we should and should not do. And one of the things that we learned is if it's not dependable, don't sell it. And that's our motto. We want to make sure that we follow through on that. Service after the sale, this is something very important too, equally as important. And the reason for that is because a relationship, to a point, is more important than money. When we look at our service truck, we have several here, but we have some in Houston. But that's to provide support to you if you need it, if you're in a location. But even if you're at a distance, we can give you support. So that's something that we want to do. You can learn more about our pump. We go to 1020. We not only sell that, but look at our rental deal. We have a rental program that we're able to provide for you. So if you'd like to know more about the 40K pump, the rental pumps that is produced by Reliable Pumps, stop by booth 109. Thank you. Have a good day.